In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate Facebook leads to WhatsApp. Unfortunately, since Facebook doesn't let you do this automatically by default, all we need to do is use a third-party automation tool. Don't worry though, it is completely free and very easy to set up. The first thing that I want you to do is click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Make platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page you are going to see. Now, once you are on make.com, the first step is to create an account. And to do that, head over to the left-hand side where it says Get Started for Free. Or what you could also do is on the top and the right-hand side, simply click on the Get Started Free button. Now, that will take you to this page wherein you can start creating your account. And on the left-hand side, you will be asked to add a name, email, or a password. What you could also do is continue with Google, and if you click on the See Other Options button, you can continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or GitHub. For this tutorial, I will go ahead and continue with Google. Now, once you are done adding your specific platform, on the left-hand side, you will see your name, email, your EU, your hosting region, as well as your country. And once you're done, simply click on the Sign Up for Free button in the bottom left corner. Once that's done, it will take you to the welcome page, and in here, you can simply choose the things that are appropriate within your account. Once you have successfully created your first Make account, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you want to go to the navigation panel onto the left-hand side. And in here, you just want to simply click on Scenarios. Onto Scenarios, you will be asked how you want to create your first scenario. You can either choose the Open Scenario Builder, which is where we will build our scenario from scratch. For this tutorial, this is what we will follow. However, if you click on the Browse Templates button, this will take you to the Public Templates page, wherein you can choose from one of the pre-built automations. To search an application or a name, head over to the top and the right-hand side, and then you will see the search bar. Now head over back onto the Scenarios page, and in here you want to click on Open Scenario Builder, since we want to create our scenario from scratch. Now on the Scenario Builder, you will be greeted with a big plus sign. On the right hand side, if you click on the plus sign, you will see all of the applications as well as the modules that are available. Now, the first step is to add a trigger and an action. For our trigger, this will be Facebook leads. Now, onto Facebook leads, whenever a new lead is added, it will automatically go onto WhatsApp to send a message. To do that, simply head over to the right hand side, and at the bottom on the search bar, we want to add Facebook leads, so simply search for Facebook leads. Once that's done, head over to the top where it says Facebook lead ads, and on the right hand side, just make sure that it is a verified application. Once that's done, head over to the leads, and at the bottom, simply click on Watch Leads. Now from here, you want to go to the right hand side and then just simply click on Add. And once you do, you will be asked to add a connection name. Let's just name this Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Once that's done, head over to the bottom and the right hand side and then click on Save. Once you click on Save, a pop-up will show wherein you want to continue Make with Facebook. Simply click on the Continue button and it will automatically show the connection. Now at the bottom, you want to add a page. So simply click on the drop down here below and it will list down all of the pages that you have. Simply select the page that you want. And once you do, it will show the forms. Click on the drop down and then it will show the list of the forms that you have. It will show the name of the form, the date, as well as the time. Now select the form that you want. And at the bottom, it will ask a limit. Now for the limit, this is the maximum number of results that will be worked on or will be shown during one execution cycle. Now let's say you want to add a limit of 25, that is something that you could also do. Once that's done, head over to the bottom and the right hand side and then just simply click on Save. Now on to choose where to start, you can choose a few options. If you click on Choose Manually, it will show you all of the leads that you have or the latest one. This means that you can only select one. Let's say we want to select this one, then this will be the only lead that will be sent onto WhatsApp. However, if you click on from now on, once you click on run once, the first lead that pops up, the newest and the latest one, will be added within WhatsApp. Now, if you just want to do everything, just simply select all. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right hand side and then just simply click on save. As you can see, we have successfully added Facebook as our first module. To add the action, simply head over to the right hand side of Facebook. You will see a plus sign to add another module. Simply click on that one. And from here, you want to go to the search bar here below and just simply search for WhatsApp. Now onto WhatsApp, you want to hover onto the bottom. You will see the option for WhatsApp Business Cloud. Now just simply head over to WhatsApp Business Cloud. And in here, a great thing about this is that it will automatically be connected within Facebook. Now what we want to do is onto the message option, we want to send a message. Now onto the left hand side, you want to click on add here at the very top. And for the connection type, you want to choose WhatsApp Business Cloud. And you want to add a connection name. So you can name this or leave it as is. Well, I just want to name it Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Now, what you want to do is turn on two-factor authentication just to make sure that it works. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right-hand side and then click on Save. Once you click on Save, it will automatically take you to your Facebook. Now at the bottom and the right-hand side, just simply click on Continue. And in here, you can choose your business portfolio, create a new one, and create a WhatsApp business account. Now this will be free of charge, so head over to the bottom and the right-hand side and click on Next. Once you do, you will be asked to add your name, email, the category, as well as the country and website. Now, if you already have a business account, then this is something that you can skip. Now from here, you can either add a phone number later or use the existing one. You can add a new WhatsApp number. And once you have chosen the specific type of WhatsApp phone number, head over to the bottom and the right-hand side and then click on Next. You just want to confirm. And as you can see, our account is successfully added onto Make. Now, once you're done, you'll be asked here below to add a sender ID. For the sender ID, simply click on the drop down and it will ask you to add the specific number. Now at the bottom, it will ask you to add the receiver, and then this is where your Facebook leads will show. Onto the Facebook leads, what you can do is add the phone number, simply hold and then drag right into it. And what you can do is add a message type. Onto the message type, we want to add a text. And at the body, what you can do is add a specific message that is from your form. What we can do is, let's say onto the body, we can add a specific text, hi, and then add the full name, simply hold and then drag. Thank you for signing up, something like that. And then we can add another one, let's say, just to confirm if these are correct. That is one way we can do it. And if you want to delete a data type or a field, just simply head over to that one and then press on backspace. Now, once you're done and are satisfied with the message, simply head over to the bottom and the right-hand side and then just simply click on Save. As you can see, we have successfully created our first automation onto Make. Now, it is in good practice that we do a test run just to see if we have any errors. To do that, head over to the bottom and the left-hand side and then just simply click on Run Once. As you can see, we have successfully connected our Facebook ad leads onto the WhatsApp business account. And that's about it. That's how to automate Facebook leads to WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.